Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be designing this waffle chart infographic in Excel, step by step and completely from scratch. A waffle chart is a visual tool that shows progress toward a target or completion percentage. It's made up of a grid of small cells, where the filled or colored cells represent the data. We'll use a simple formula trick to automatically populate these cells from 1 to 100. If you're excited, let's jump right in. Next, let's open a new sheet and create a data matrix from 1 to 100. To do this, we'll use a simple row and column formula. Open bracket and 10 minus row, and close the first bracket and close the second bracket, then multiply by 10 plus column. This formula helps us fill numbers from 1 to 100 in a 10 by 10 grid, starting from the bottom left and moving upwards. Now, drag the formula across to fill 10 columns, and then drag it down to fill 10 rows. We've now successfully populated our data set from 1 to 100, from bottom to top. Next, let's adjust the cell height and width to make the grid look more like squares. Also, center the text both horizontally and vertically for better alignment. Let's highlight the entire grid using a light background color. This will create a good contrast with the darker shade we'll use later to represent our percentage data. Next, let's choose a cell to use as our percentage input. Format this cell to display values as percentages. And also select another cell and reference the percentage input cell using a simple formula. We'll use this reference to drive the conditional formatting, which will highlight the appropriate number of cells in the waffle chart based on the percentage value. Let's format the percentage value so it displays without any decimal places. Just whole numbers, like 75. Next, let's apply a conditional formatting rule to highlight the target data points. Start by selecting all the cells in the 10 by 10 waffle grid. Then, go to the Conditional Formatting menu, click on New Rule, and choose the second rule type. Format only cells that contain. Set the condition to less than or equal to, and in the value field, select the reference cell we created earlier, the one that calculates the filled cell count based on the percentage. Now, choose your desired fill color for the highlighted cells. And that's it. We've successfully applied conditional formatting to visually represent the percentage in our waffle chart. Now we can test the chart by entering different percentage values. And it works perfectly. Next, let's clean it up a bit. First, hide the reference cell, since we don't want users to interact with or see it. We'll also hide the numbers inside the waffle chart grid to reduce visual clutter. To do this, select all the grid cells, right-click, choose Format Cells, go to the Custom category and type in 3 semicolons. This trick hides the cell values without deleting them. As a final touch, let's display the percentage value right at the center of the waffle chart to draw attention. Go to the Insert tab and add a text box. In the text box, link it to the same cell we used for the percentage input. This way, it will always update automatically. Now, format the text box. Set no fill and no outline so it blends into the chart. Increase the font size and choose a bold, high contrast color to make the percentage stand out clearly. Finally, position the text box in the center of the waffle grid. And that's it. Your dynamic waffle chart in Excel is complete and ready to use. This was part 3 of our 100+ Excel Infographic series on the channel. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned so you don't miss a single one. Thanks for watching.